Hi and welcome to Linux tutorials. Today we are starting a new series. What does the Linux shell command do? So let's go. What does this Linux command do? Set -n begin, end p application log. At first glance it looks simple, but this small command can save a lot of time when working with logs and large text files. Let's break it down. Sed, a stream editor for processing text, -n disables automatic output of every line. Begin, end defines a range of lines to process. And p prints only selected lines. So that's it. Comment, subscribe and share this video and come to see the next episode. Have a good day. Bye bye.